Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this really cute K-pop Fancam video edit on CapCut PC. So you do need to change the speed of your videos to about 0.7 or 0.5x speed. To change it, just select speed here. It's different because this time is a little bit shorter than this. So for the first one, you need to put it to 0.7x speed, and the second one is 0.5. Then on the first video, I'm going to zoom in when the kind of beat drops. So I'm just going to listen to it a little bit. So here is where the beat kind of changes a little bit. And then so before it a little bit, I'm just going to add a keyframe, and I'm going to then go to the second frame and add another one. And I'm going to scale it. I'm also going to position it a little bit. And I'm just going to listen to it again. I'm just going to, okay. Oops. Okay, that's good enough. And this one's already zoomed in, so we don't have to do that. Then we are going to go to filters, and we're going to add this brown effect to track, like so. Oh, actually we're going to add like a bright filter first. I'm just going to add the spring chorus one, but you can choose any kind of filter you want for this. And then I am going to add in the brown filter on top. And then I'm going to put in a keyframe. So where the zoom is and before it. So before it, I'm just going to add a keyframe. And then when it zooms in, I'm going to add another one and have the strength to 0. And I'm going to do that for the other video. Let's just delete that. Add keyframe. Add another one and put the strength to 0. And then I am also going to do it with kind of like the blur effect. So go to the effects section, go to basic, and I am going to choose blur, and I'm just going to add it. And I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to the part where there is a keyframe. So here, I'm going to add a keyframe. Oh, I don't think I can do that with blur. Maybe not. Let's see. Maybe blurry focus I can do that with. Oh, I don't think I can do it with the blur on the app. You can, like, for instance, use a blur here, and then on the second where there's color, have it not blurred. But for now, I'm not going to add in the blur, but you can use that if you are able to do that. Okay, then I'm going to add in like effects where there's color. So you can choose maybe this one. I think I want to choose this one because it's very cute. Okay, I'm going to add this one, and again I'm going to add it when the color changes. So I'm going to delete it here and add it just here. And I'm also going to do it here. Put it over here. So, okay, that is super cute. After that, we are going to add in a white flash. Oh, actually, I need to add in an animation first. So select your video, go to animation, and choose in any an animation that you want to add. I'm just going to add swing right to both of the video, like so. And then after that, I am just going to add in a white overlay. So go to library and add in this one and add it on top of that video, like so, and scale it. And we want to start it again where the color starts. Oops. So like here, and then select overlay, go to animation, and then out, and then fade out. And then you're going to add it here too, like so. And that's pretty much it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you. Also, if you like our videos, do not forget to press the thanks button if you do like our videos. Only if you like our videos. We put a lot of time and effort to make these tutorials for you. So there is a thanks button in the description box down below, and it will mean a lot if you do press it. So thank you very much.